Let's look at this question now. In a locality, over a period of 5 years, the total income of the households increased by 35% and the per capita income increased by 25% during the same time. The percentage by which the population of locality increased during the same time is, first of all, we need to be sure that this question is of the type A cross B is equal to C, right? Because this relation fits the given expression. How? Because I know the total income when divided by total population give me per capita income. So I can write it as when when per capita income is multiplied by population, I would get the total income. Right? So can you see it is a cross B is equal to C types of relation? And for these relation, if I have a percentage increase of this first quantity, right? And if I have a percentage change of this quantity, I can find the percentage change in the third quantity. But here I have given that per capita income increased by 25%, right? So the multiplying factor for this 25% change, a 25% increase to be precise, would be 5 by 4. You can assume it as initially it was 4 units and finally it become 5 units, right? It has to be multiplied with the multiplying factor of population, right? So to give the multiplying factor for total income change, right? Or the change in total income, and that has increased by 35% over the period of 5 years. So if it has increased by 35%, the multiplying factor for this much increase would be 27 upon 20. Can you see the total income would have been 20 before 5 years and now it has become 27, right? So the multiplying factor for population would be, this get cancelled 5 times, 5 into 5, 25. So it's a multiplying factor of 27 upon 25. It's a multiplying factor corresponding to some percentage change. Can you see? It's an increase of 2. It's an increase of 2, right? So what do you write? It's an increase of 2 over 25 units. So percentage increase would be, if I have to find the percentage increase, I need to multiply it with 100%. So that would be 8%, or option C is the correct answer.